nagsisigaw, ganyan. Sigaw ka dito sa dagat. Kaya lang baka maka-interrupt ako, meron ko. Dapat pag may problema ka, sabihin mo ganyan. It's okay, God! I trust you! Interrupt siya, tawag sa may kausap. Dapat ganon. Kapag may problema, sumigaw lang. And then, trust God. Pwedeng umiyak. Pero dapat lumalaban. Okay? When you have a problem and it's very heavy already, you cannot breathe anymore, just go to the nature, shout, scream with the full strength you can. It's okay to cry, but you need to fight the battle. Never give up. Don't surrender, especially if you are fighting for something, for someone. God is in control. All we have to do is ask God. Always say thank you. Be thankful for everything. Appreciate everything you have. Ask forgiveness for everything we did, for everything we sinned. Beg for His forgiveness. Beg for His guidance. Beg for His blessings. We just lean on to God. We don't lean on into our own thoughts, own intelligence. Because no matter what, regardless of your position, regardless of your status, regardless of your condition, God is in control. We don't complain. We just say thank you, ask forgiveness, and then just rely unto Him. Okay? Good morning, everyone. This is my message. Don't give up. Fight the battle. God bless everyone.